did. Look what I got.
Well, it's stuck on something. Just leave it out there. I gotta fix it yet.
I'm not fixing it yet.
No, your bob will go under, honey, when you get... Okay, try reeling it in. Wait. Yep, pull it in. Pull it in. Pull it, hurry. Pick it up. Oh, what's that?
Okay.
Hold on a second here. Whoa, you caught a fish. Huh? Show it to me. Good girl, you caught that fish, huh? Did you catch it by yourself?
I don't think so.
You can't keep them, honey, okay? I'll throw it back. Got it?
Yeah.
Let me see. Gotta put it all the way through though.
Okay. Is that enough? Is that enough, Dad?
That's good. Don't stand in the water. You watching your pole or you playing around?
Watching my pole. I load up.
Not yet. You having fun?
Can I just see if I got fish?
Okay. Pull it in. Walk closer. Get by the water. Walk right over by it. That's your second fish.
Yep, I got 2 fish now.
Let me see.
Dee-dee-dee.
Well, that's a big fish.
I got the same almost. They're the same shape, but they're not the same color almost.
Oh, good girl.
I did this one by myself. I found this one by myself, but you find the other one by yourself.
Mm-hmm.
You should catch your other one, and I catch you this one. What should I do with this thing?
Gonna have to throw it back in the water.
Okay, I'll hold it.
You gotta take it off the mouth though.
How do you want me to pick it up?
Hurry up.
He didn't. This one didn't go far down in his mouth.
That?
No, look. Look at the hook. Here he is.
That's a big fish.
I saw one jump.
Oh, okay, let's get that one. You watching it?
Yes, I'm watching it. Should I wind it up?
Oh yeah, wait, watch. It's going under.
Okay, I see it going under. I got something. Okay, let's see.
Okay, wheel it in now.
Okay.
Are you watching your bobber or are you looking at your feet?